So without wasting any time, let's start. Step 1. Update your Mumu Player because it's easy to install Magisk on it. Remember how painful to install Magisk on Mumu Player 12? Step 2. You needed 3 files: Magisk APK, LSPosed zip files, LSPosed APK files. Don't worry, all the links you will find in the video description. Download all those 3 files and put it on the folders and move that folder into Mumu Player shared folders. By default, you will find that folder in Document Mumu Player. Now open the Mumu Player and create a new device. After that, tap on the 3 dots to get the device setting. After that, select disk sharing and then tap on the writable system disk. The only problem with this thing is if you updated your Mumu Player, then all the progress will be lost. So please don't update your Mumu Player after you install the Magisk on it, okay? After that, tap on others, enable the root option. Now close the device setting. Let's start the device. Open the file manager and find the folder you moved here before. Open that folder and first install the Magisk app that name as the app debug APK. Now here you are seeing the KitsuneMagisk, but don't worry guys, it's a Magisk app for the emulator, so don't worry about it. After installing that app, remember choice forever and tap allow. Once you install that app, open it and here you will find the install options. Just tap on it and we have to close the app because here we are looking for that option that's not available yet. So reopen the app again and tap on install and now you will see that we got the new option, the direct install modify system directly. Choose that option and tap on restart the emulator. See how fast the new Mumu Player is opening. Oh my god, I'm glad I updated my emulator finally. Now again open the KitsuneMagisk and here you will see the Magisk is installed but still Zygisk is not installed yet. So for that, open the setting, turn on the Zygisk. Now go back onto the modular, install from storage. Open your folder where you downloaded all the files and here choose the LSPosed zip file. Install it. After it's installed, just again restart the emulator. After the emulator loads up, open the file manager, open your folder where you downloaded the LSPosed APK, right, and install it. Open the LSPosed app and here you will see some warning. Just tap on the never show. Here you can see the LSPosed is activated. Now you can install any modular you like. Everything is installed. Zygisk is also installed. The KitsuneMagisk is also installed. Everything is doing. Now it's up to you guys what you want to do.